Want to transform your selfies with AI? Here's how to install FaceApp on your iPhone in under a minute. First things first, open App Store. Then head to the Search tab. Here, search for FaceApp and hit Search. You'll see FaceApp at the very top. Here, simply tap on this Get button and confirm it with your Face ID or Touch ID or your Apple ID. Once it finishes installing, tap Open and you're ready to start exploring filters, face swaps, edge effects and more. And that's it. If this quick tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment with your favorite FaceApp effect. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.